In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people on Calendly, a powerful tool for scheduling appointments and managing your calendar efficiently. Whether you're setting up meetings, interviews, or events, Calendly can simplify the process by automating invitation and booking times. Let's dive in and learn how to send an invite using Calendly in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to Calendly's website. It's crucial that you start by going to the official Calendly page to ensure you're accessing the right platform for scheduling your appointments. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to log in. If you already have an account, this is where you'll start. Click on the login button to proceed. When logging in, one of the easiest methods is to use your Google account. This not only speeds up the login process, but also helps with integrating your Google Calendar, making it easier to see your availability and avoid scheduling conflicts. Click on Continue with Google to use this feature. Next, you'll be prompted to select which Google account you want to use. If you're like many of us, juggling multiple Google accounts for personal and professional purposes, make sure you choose the one that best fits the context for which you're scheduling. This choice is crucial for calendar synchronization and ensuring your scheduling aligns with your intended agenda. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to grant Calendly permission to access your Google account, specifically your email and calendar data. This step is necessary for Calendly to function correctly, as it uses this information to check your availability and prevent double booking. Click on Continue to grant these permissions. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to dive into the core of Calendly, setting up an event type and inviting participants. Navigate to your Calendly dashboard, then go to your event types. Here you'll see a list of different event options you've previously set up, or you can create a new one. Choose the event you want to invite people to by simply selecting it. With your event type selected, look for a cogwheel icon often associated with settings or more options. This icon is your gateway to customizing your event type, including editing its permissions. Click on this cogwheel to access these settings. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Edit Permissions. This is where the magic happens in terms of controlling who gets to see and book your event. Clicking on this option will allow you to specify the individuals you wish to invite. Now type in the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. This step requires a bit of attention to detail, as entering the correct information ensures your invite reaches the right participants. Be meticulous in typing out each email address or name, confirming you've got it right. After you've listed all the people you wish to invite, your next action is to click on Apply. This finalizes the list of invitees and updates the event's permissions, effectively restricting it to only those you've specified. And there you have it. You've just learned how to invite specific individuals to an event on Calendly. This powerful feature allows for a personalized approach to scheduling, ensuring that your meetings, webinars, or events are filled with the right attendees. Remember, the key to seamless scheduling is not just about sending out invitations, but also about managing your calendar and availability to avoid overbooking. Calendly streamlines this process, making it easier for you to focus on what truly matters: your meetings and the people you're meeting with. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of inviting participants on Calendly. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to efficiently manage your appointments and schedules. Keep experimenting with different event types and invite settings to fully leverage what Calendly has to offer. Happy scheduling!